Good day everyone and welcome to episode 12 part 1 of Learn Invest Earn. My name is Soundarya Lakshmi Narayanan and this series is in association with Alice Blue to help new investors kickstart their journey of investing. In today's episode 12, you will get clear insights on every feature of the small case. Lakhs of newbies have shifted from mutual funds to small cases because of lower fees, transparency and various other benefits. Should you join them? That's a $1 million question that will be addressed today. And now, so watch the full video. Let's get started. What is a small case? Small case is a basket or group of stocks or ETFs built on a particular idea, strategy, sector or theme. Small cases are created and managed by SEBI Registered Professionals. Small cases are similar to mutual funds but come with lower handling cost, higher transparency and no lock-in period and better ownership perks. Let's understand small case with an example. Let's say in May 2020, when the pandemic struck, you decide to invest in pharmaceutical stocks as you believe that pharmaceutical companies will be in high demand in the near future. Hence, the price of the stocks will also increase. You are aware that investing all your money in one pharmaceutical stock is quite risky. So, you start looking for options with lesser risk and come across Pharma Tracker Small Case. You start exploring more about the Pharma Tracker Small Case and find out that it consists of a basket of 9 pharma stocks. You finally decide to invest Rs 1 lakh in Pharma Tracker Small Case in May 2020. After 6 months, as of October 2020, your investment value would be worth Rs 1,39,460 rupees. That's a growth of approximately 40%. Coming back to the meaning of small case, Pharma Tracker Small Case was built on a strategy of investing in the pharmaceutical sector. Similarly, different small cases represent different strategies, ideas, sectors or themes. Small case charges. Check out the benefits of using small case via Alice Blue Tradestore. Actual price is Rs 100 per transaction, but Alice Blue price is Rs 0 per transaction. In the next video, let's analyze which is better, mutual funds or small case.